Do you want to trade crypto with practically zero fees? Most exchanges charge 0.04% or 0.05%. But today, I'm showing you how to trade on Deepcoin with an effective fee of just 0.01%. This event ends on January 31st, so listen carefully. Here is the magic formula. Deepcoin gives you an automatic 60% fee payback. That drops your fee to 0.06%. On top of that, 33% of your fees are recycled into trading gifts. When you do the math, your final cost is approximately 0.01%. For scalpers, this is an absolute game changer. The payback is credited immediately and you can withdraw it after 24 hours. But there's more. Deposit over $1,000 to get up to 5,000 USDT in bonuses. And for every $200,000 in volume, you get another $100 gift card. These bonuses offer 33% loss deduction. But remember the rule, it only works on net losses. Pro tip. If you make a big profit, move your money to your spot account. This resets your bonus logic so you can use the loss deduction again on your next trade. To get this 0.01% fee structure, you must sign up using the exclusive link in the description. If you need help with the reset strategy, DM me on Telegram at the link below. Stop paying high fees. Join Deepcoin now.